and welcome. Today I want to try to make a what are they called? Sea bunny? Yeah, I think they're called sea bunnies. I can try show a picture somewhere here how they actually look like. But I found the picture on Pinterest. And I tried to make one similar to the picture, and I cannot focus this camera, so you have to see it from afar for now, but I will show it closer up later. Alright, now we're on to the working surface. First I want to address that I'm sorry that I'm filming on this not so pretty surface. The other surface I had got a little ruined. So yeah, either I have to try fix a new one or actually buy a more prettier one of this version, or getting a glass. Or I talk too much. Let's get into the crafting. We don't care about the background, we care about the craft. I have rolled the body like so into a little oval one thing. Oh yeah, maybe I can show it now. Yeah, this was the one I tried to make. It's not 100% the same as the picture I saw, but the eyes are, and the mouth of course, and I just thought it looked super cute. So yeah, now we will try and make another one. Yes, so now we have the body. I have already pre-rolled it and even made it standing so it doesn't tilt like this one. I messed a little up, so now it's looking up at you at all times, staring into your soul. And we will make the cute sea ears thing out of smaller clay pieces. So we just put the little guy aside, and we will start by rolling. Yes, as you can see, kind of like an egg. Yeah, we just do the same with the other one, and then I will squeeze it while at the same time making it into a teardrop ish on both sides. And it's funny, every time I try to remake something, it never turns out the same. But I guess that's the joy and the fun part about crafting, is that nothing is never the same and everything is unique in its own way. Yeah, let's just go with that, even though they don't look similar at all, but it's okay. And now onto the tail. Let's start with the big one here. And that's actually just the same as when we made the ears. So yes. Alright. So this is how it should look like, I guess. We don't know. I don't know. Yeah, we see. And then I'm gonna add the eyes. I took the biggest ball I have of these. And then I'm just gonna make the eye sockets. Let's see. Yeah. Well, it could be worse, so we accept this. And then what I will do is cutting the very bottom and attach it. No, wait. Oh, whoa. I had completely forgot the most important part about the ears. And that is to add, you know, I want to add these ones. These leaf look alike. I don't understand why I forgot that, but we will not forget this time. I will just gently press a little down to create that leaf effect, like so. It almost looks like what are they called? Coffee bean? Yeah, a white coffee bean. And then I will make those small, and they are very hard for me to make for some reason. So I'm sorry if you can't see so well what I'm doing, because of my big fingers. But I'm basically just making small lines. There is probably a better way to do this, but I haven't reached that level yet. So we just have to do what we can. Kind of like so. And remove all the non-wanted clay. And then we do the same on the other side. And I'm basically just gonna do that on all of the ears and tails. So now we are where we were supposed to be. And I'm just gonna cut in the ears first and remove a little part of the bottom. And the same with the others. So what I will do now is I will attach the ears. Wait. Oops. Have I... Oh no. I think these ones are the ears, yes. This must be the tail. Yeah. Alright. And then I will plant them on top of here. I guess there. And then I will blend. I don't know, maybe this tool is good enough for blending. Alright. And then we will... Can it focus? Yep, I guess. Guess there. And... Okay, that mouse became a little wrong. Yeah. I guess it's okay. Yeah, it got a little bigger mouth than the other one. Well, it's probably okay. No worries. And then we attach the tail. That was so... Okay. Yeah. Ooh, let's try another tool. Let's try this one. Oh, that took forever to put that on. Holy macaronis. Oh, okay. Note to self. I need either liquid clay glue thing, or I need to make a little figure so I can attach these ones, because holy, that was not fun blending that in, and it's still not very good blended in, and yeah, you can see it does not look pretty, but it is what it is. So yeah, whoop. Now we will bake this little guy and I will be right back with you. And now we're back, baked and ready to be 100% done. The reason why I actually haven't baked most of my other clay figures is because my UV resin have not arrived yet, and I really want that to show everything in the same video, to say it like that, but I only have this for now. Ooh. So yeah, I guess I just have to deal with that until the UV resin will appear. But let's get into it. I was thinking this one should have violet color on its ears and its eyes. So if I just start with the eyes, I will just leave a little. And what I did last time is that I took some color on this one like this, and I just pressed it in very gently in both eyes. We try. So I'm just gonna dip it a little like that, and then we will color them. Alright, now that the paint has dried, we will make the inner color of the eyes. And for that I was thinking that we just take a little white paint, like so. That was a little more than I wanted. We just mix. And then we will mix. And then I will take this one and dip it in the paint like so. Then the question is, I guess in the corner here. Alright, as it's dried, as it has dried, I mean, we will add the eyeballs, or yeah, the blackness in the eyes. And by that I'm just gonna use some black color, acrylic color. Okay, and for that I think we'll use a smaller ball, maybe this one. Yeah, I think yes. Alright, as that is dried, I will, with the final touch, add the kawaii dots. Okie dokie. And then I just dip again. Yep, yep, yep. Like that. And attach it. But yeah, let's move on to the ears and tail then. And what I was thinking is removing this and use this palette here. I don't know if this is right though, but it seemed to work out okay last time I did it on the other one, so yeah. And then I just dip it a little in that and take a little water and mix. Like that. And then we will paint it. And what I did last time was to wipe it up again. And just do that all over. And then at the end, adding the darker purple or violet. Yeah, so that's just how it's gonna go. Alright, and this is the finished one. I can see some details and stuff that I couldn't really get on this one and stuff. But yeah, and of course some smaller details, mistakes, but yeah, it gets its own little charm. Yeah, other than that, I think it turned out really good. So here we have it, finished and ready to be shown. Yeah, I'm actually pleased with how it turned out. It's the second time I tried. Of course, this was my first, but painting them with acrylic, a little challenging, but I like that. So yeah, a little mix of everything, I guess, is always good, and I think that's super cute. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. So yeah, somehow, of course, I can see there is some paint mistakes and the tail is a little weird off, but yeah, it's cute nonetheless. So yeah. But that's it for this time. Remember to give a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all very soon. Have a nice day and bye.